Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this right here. This is from Circus, I think that's right. I'll have the link down below in the description. This is a small business and this was actually purchased for me from my friend Laura. If you don't know who she is, she has her own channel called Food Makeup Skin. She is also on TikTok, and this particular company is also going viral on TikTok. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like right here. You see, it's super cute. Got all the stuff right there. And the first thing here, let's go ahead and open up. So in the bag we have a clown nose, which I think is cute. Maybe I should wear this throughout the video, I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what is here. We've got a thing right here. It says, "Congratulations, Silly Bones. Thank you so much for your support on becoming official certified clown seal of approval." Right there, you can see it. I think that's kind of cute. Anyways, that's the card on what she wrote. This is the other side of it. "Welcome to the circus." Really cute themed. And then an airhead, which I can appreciate that because gluten-free right there, and I am gluten-free. And the first thing we got here is Horror House Loose Eyeshadow, and this packaging is very cute. Look at this right here. It's got sprinkles on it. Looks like frosting, but yeah, but that's the top of it. You can see the green color. I'm going to swatch that so we can see what it looks like on the skin. So this is a loose pigment, so I'm kind of messy, but that is what it looks like. I do really like this. You can see I put it a little heavier in some spots and not so heavy in other spots. That is a really pretty dark green. I really do like it. I do have a, what is it called? A mixing base. This I got from MAC a while ago. And I can mix that with this loose pigment here and use it as an eyeliner, which I'm probably going to do because that is a gorgeous color. So next we have a mystery eyeshadow. This is what it comes looking like. Again, this packaging is just really cute and well thought out. Okay, so this loose pigment is, our loose eyeshadow is called Ferris Wheel, and it is this really gorgeous kind of like a sky bluish color. If I can get it to pick up, there you go. Very pretty. And of course I'm going to swatch that as well. And they do have, she does have this lovely frosting topping. I think it's just so adorable. Okay, I'm struggling to open this. I think my hands are a little wet, so I'm going to leave it in there for now. See, it's it is all me, I know that. So yeah, so I won't be swatching this one. I apologize for that. My hands are just a little slimy, I guess. So let's see what else we got here. Another more cute packaging here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so these are perfumes. The first scent we have here is S'mores. I am definitely curious about that. So let's go ahead and see what that smells like. Okay, so got that off. And that is the roller ball there. And this really does smell like s'mores. I'm not really a huge person into sweet smelling perfumes, but this does smell really good. If you like sweet smells, I'm surprised how much this actually does smell like s'mores. I would smell this, honestly, if I smelled this on a person, I would want something sweet because it really does smell that sweet. Next we have Berry Ice Cream Perfume Roller Ball. That is what it looks like. I can't decide which one I like better. I think I might like the berry one better. The other one's just a little too sweet for me. But yeah, they do smell good. So there's one more thing in here that is this right here. And I believe it's another perfume. No, this is a moisturizing lip balm. Now I already have lip balm or color on my lips, so I'm probably not going to put it on, but I am going to check this out. That is what it looks like up close. This is pretty big too. Like the average size is probably about half that. So this is a pretty big size, very generous. Now this smells really good. This has got coconut oil in it, and I don't know what else, but it smells really good. Definitely gonna use it, but yeah, overall I like these products. I think it's great. And again, don't forget to check out their website, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.